right, we've got crude oil showing some real strength on Thursday. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So a few things I think are kind of interesting and I want to make everybody aware of. Number one, we had a double bottom right here that broke out over here on a breakout above the 65.32 on the initial April-May double bottom for this longer term decline in crude oil. Had a sharp bounce and then started another decline that now has the potential to have a second double bottom. One in October, one in November, here one in April, one in May, and lead to another rally following this 56.49 trend low over here in October. So we had a sharp rally off that low. Notice that it took the formation of a small declining trend channel, just like now, a small declining trend channel. Now, I previously considered that as a potential bull flag because it hadn't retraced so far. But now that it's come down so far, it kind of negates all the degree of bullishness, let's say, in my opinion, that we see here. But if this is resolved to the upside with a breakout confirmed above this lower swing high here at 60.98, then we have an initial target up here, 63.83, which provides symmetry between the CD leg advance and the AB leg advance, the initial leg up. So typically we'll frequently have one leg up, pullback, followed by at least a second leg up. So that's what we're seeing off a higher swing low here, and that creates this potential ABCD pattern target, along with this 200 moving average here at 64.30 and falling. You could see it was the 200 blue was almost approached here, kind of over here, resistance over here, a failed breakout over here. So this is the first breakout after falling much further below the 200 than previously in recent price action. So we have a 4-day breakout here today with the daily close confirming the breakout. That puts at least the purple 20 moving average as a target, 59.62, or 68, I'm sorry. But that should be surpassed targeting this downtrend line and the 50 moving average here at 60.63. But as I mentioned, a breakout above this lower swing high of 60.98 is what's really going to confirm a bullish reversal and increase the chance that this 63.03 can be taken out and then these initial targets be approached. And notice that the downtrend line here will be broken at some point. Certainly if this swing high here is taken out, the downtrend line will also have already been broken. Another sign that the buyers are taking back control in crude oil. However, unless it gets above and stays above the 200 moving average, the long-term trend and downward pressure remains. All right, that is it for crude oil. Have a great Friday.